2022 Lexus GX. With less than 49,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.